Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. I, Shanu Sharma, welcome you for today's maths class. So, dear children, in our last class, I gave you self-assessment test. I hope you have done it honestly. Now, I am giving you the answers of the same assessment. Our first question was, what is the shape of a brick? So if you have written rectangle, so that is wrong. The shape is not rectangle. Because here we have added all the 6 faces and then we get a new shape and the name of the shape is cuboid. Question 2 was, what is the half of 600? Half means we have to divide 600 with 2. This already we have done in our previous video. 600 divided by 2 is 300. Question 3 was, what is the double of 600? Double means we have to multiply by 2. This also we have done. So 600 multiplied by 2 is 1200. Question 4. How many centimeters make 1 meter? So that is 100 centimeters. Our next question was, name any two objects which look like the shape of a brick. Two objects name we have to write. It can be matchbox, your lunch box, sharpener, eraser, and so many other objects. Next question was, draw any jali pattern. We did 2 jali pattern, so you have to draw any jali pattern. Next was, write in words. Children, I told you when we have to write in words, we will write on the top ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. And then make the groups. Ones, tens, 100 comes in ones period, 1000, 10,000, 1000 period, and the next is lakhs period. So our answer is 4,81,321. Next question was, write the places of lakhs period. This 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. Next question was, if the cost of 1000 bricks is rupees 2200, find the cost of 4000 bricks. Children, this is also very easy. The statement which we will write, that is cost of 1000 bricks. And we have to find cost of 4000. So children, you have to do cost of 1000 bricks. 1000 bricks is rupees 2200. Then 2000, it is the double. For double we do multiply by 2. Then 3000 and 4000 we will get our answer. Now in our next slide I am showing you all the answers. If your answer is correct, you will do a tick and give 1 mark. If it is wrong, then give 0 mark. Is it clear to you? If you have not written the unit, so you will deduct your half marks. Is it clear, children? Now show answer 6. I am showing you the answer 6, answer 7, answer 8, and this is answer 9. And here is the working of answer 9. Cost of 1000. 1000 means 2200. 2000 means it is the double. 2000 plus 2000, we know multiplication is the repeated addition. 2200 multiplied by 2, and like this we are getting our answer. Is it clear, children? After checking the test, count your marks and write at the top out of 10 marks. After the self-assessment test, it's the time to check the homework. Our question was, one bus take 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? Children, very easy. Again we will write number of children. How many means How many means we change into number of children in one bus? 48. So number of children in 3 buses. 3 buses means again we have to do 1 bus is equal to 48. 2 bus double means multiply by 2. 3 buses means multiply by 3. So this is our answer. Question 2 is how many children are going for a picnic? So how many means how many number of children we have to find out. So total number of children we have to plus, and then this is our answer. Is it clear to every child? Okay. Okay, dear children, now let's begin our today's class. Page 25 of our NCERT book. We are going to read.
Come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock.
The journey begins. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Indra.
When will we reach Bhopal?
Sasha. If we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around. So, dear children, we have started at 9 o'clock. We have started at 9 o'clock. So, after 2 hours, it is count after 9, 10, 11. So, that is around 11 o'clock. One more example I am giving you. If it is 12 o'clock, so what is the time after 2 hours? Children, you will count after 12. 13 will not come because on our clock we are having 12 digits, and after 12 there is 1. So count after 12, 1 and 2. So after 2 hours the time will be 2 o'clock. So like this we can find the time in hours. Next is Manjeet.
Is it very far?
Mr. Bhim said, it is about 70 kilometers.
Are we going to stop anywhere?
Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbedka, about 50 kilometers from here. Now the question is, if they go to Bhimbedka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock. Speak. No. Between 10 and 11 o'clock.
No.
After 11 o'clock.
Yes.
So the answer is after 11 o'clock they will reach there. Now we will start with page 27. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk.
Oh, the petrol pump. 2 buses need to be refilled.
The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. Now the question is,
each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill. And there are 2 buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes.
Okay, here children, refill means to fill the petrol again. When we do the things again, then we say refill. Refill means to fill the petrol again. So, if one bus takes 15 minutes, then 2 buses how much time they will take? 1 means 15, second is also 15. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3. So, the total minutes are 30 minutes. So, they stop there for about 30 minutes, which means they are late by about 30 minutes.
Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters.
So we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. Now children, one question is there. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. Children, if the cost of 100 liter Diesel is rupees 3,500. So we have to find out the cost of 1 liter. 1 liter is very less and 100 is more. For 1 liter, we will do division. 3,500 we will divide with 100. We will not multiply. If we will multiply, so its answer will be so big. So for 1 liter, we do division. For less, we do division. So what will be our answer? That is rupees 35. Is it clear? Okay. Next question is, how much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? Now here something is written.
As the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump.
So the question is, how much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet?
Aman has taken as much as time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill.
Okay, it means if one bus takes 15 minutes to refill, so Aman has taken how much time? You only guess how much time Aman has taken. That is same 15 minutes. Okay, that's all children. Okay children, on page 28, this is one of the picture from Bhimbetka. What is Bhimbetka? It's a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago.
Wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings, that too on rocks.
Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Wow, beautiful pictures. So children, here are the pictures. So they were made 10,000 years ago. So now the children, they are really very excited to see the cave paintings. Okay, now we will go move to the next page. Page 29. This painting has very big bisons and deer. Bison means buffalo. So on this picture, there are bisons and deer. Even some people are also visible. So children, they are counting. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. So now one boy, he is counting
34, 35, 36, 37. Hey, I got 37 bisons.
and the girl is also counting
112, 113, 114. Hey, I got 117 deer. Yeah.
So the question is, how many more deer are there than bisons? So now here what we will do, here do the minus 117 and 37. So how many more deer are there? 7 minus 7, 0. And then 11, 8. 80 more deer are there. Bisons are less and deer are more. Okay, now we will move to the next. Okay, now move to page 30. Lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, oranges, and bananas are also distributed in all the buses.
Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas.
So our question is, how many oranges, biscuits, and bananas are distributed? Children, total are going Total number of children are 210. So one orange is distributed among them. So 210 oranges we are giving. And one banana. So 210 bananas we are not giving, because here 38 children are not taking the bananas. It means how many children are taking the bananas? We will do minus 210 minus 38. So here we will take the borrow for minus. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So 172 bananas are distributed among them. Is it clear? No 210, because 38 children are not taking the bananas. Is it clear? And how many biscuits are given to each child? 5 biscuits. ठीक है? So 210 multiplied by 5. That is 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Means 1050 biscuits are distributed. So for total we will plus all this and we will get the answer. Dear children, this is the end of reading. Now we will begin our class work. Is it clear? Okay. Now it's the time to do the class work. Write CW and date. So our first question is, what is the time after 2 hours if it is 11 o'clock? So children, what we will do, we will start counting after 11, because already this question we have discussed. So after 11 what comes? 12. And after 12, 13 is not there on our clock. So after 12 what comes? 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. Now next is B part, 7 o'clock. Again we will count after 7. What comes? 8 and 9. 2 numbers we will count, because 2 hours means 2 numbers. So after 7, what's the time? 9 o'clock. Question number 2 is, if each bus takes 15 minutes to refill, then how much time will be taken by 2 buses? Each bus means 1 bus. So time taken by 1 bus is equal to 15 minutes, and time taken by 2 buses, 15 plus 15. 15 is 1 bus and again 15 is second bus. So 15 plus 15. It means 15 is 2 times. 2 buses means double. So we will do multiply. 15 multiplied by 2 is 30 minutes. So time taken by 2 buses is 30 minutes. Question number 3 is, the cost of 100 liter of diesel is rupees 3,500. Find the cost of 1 liter diesel. Here the answer is, cost of 100 liter diesel is equal to rupees 3,500. It is already given in the question. We have to find out cost of 1 liter. 1 means 1 is less. For 1 we do division. 3,500 divided by 100. I am showing you the division how to do. 3,500 we will put the division sign and then we will divide with 100. 100 threes are 300 and then we will do minus 0 0 5 0 and then 500. 100 fives are 500. So our answer is rupees 35. Is it clear? Our question 4 is, if each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits but 38 children. But 38 children do not take bananas. How many total oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed among 210 students? So dear children, in next solution we will write first line total number of children. They are 210. Second is number of oranges given. If 210 children are there and one orange is given to each child, the 210 multiplied by 1 is 210 oranges. So number of oranges given is 210. Now it's the turn for number of bananas given. Number of bananas, total children are 210. But 38 students they are not taking. So 210 minus 38. How many students are left? That is 172. 172 children are left for bananas. So 172 multiplied by 1 is equal to 172. Is it clear, children? Why I have written 172? Because 38 children are not taking the bananas. Next is number of biscuits given. 210 are the total children, and how many we are giving? 5. So multiply by 5 is equal to 210 multiplied by 5 is 1050 biscuits. So total number of eatable distributed. Total number of biscuits, bananas and oranges are distributed. We will plus and we are getting the answer. Is it clear, children? So like this we can find out total number of eatables distributed. This question is little bit complicated but not that much. So here like this we can do this answer. Now it's the turn to do the homework. So you will write homework and date. Question number 1 is, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? Very easy question. I gave 4 toffees. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3rd and 4 friends. And I am having 4 friends. And how many toffees I am giving? 4, 4, 4, 4 and how many are left? 3. So how many toffees? How many toffees are there? You have to plus all the number. And then our answer will come. Is it clear? Okay. Second question is, what numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You have done this question in 3rd class. How many? You can make 3, 5, 7 and 537. What others? Children, it is also very easy. We will start from 3, 5, 7. If I will write here 3, 5, 7. Write the opposite of this. 7, 5, 3. 2 numbers like this. Now this number, don't start from 3, start from 5, 7, write 3 in the end. And then write reverse of this number 3, 7, 5. Again leave this number. Now start from 7, then 3, then 5 and then write the reverse 5, 3 and 7. So you can make 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 is here. Cancel it. And 5, 3, 7 cancel it. What others you can make? This number, this number, this number and this. Is it clear? Okay. Next question is, the cost of 50 liter diesel is rupees 2000. Find the cost of 1 liter diesel. Children, cost of 50 liter diesel, it is already given. Cost of 1 liter. For 1 liter, what do we do? Division. So 2000 you will divide with 50 and you will get your answer. Is it clear to you? Okay. And the question number 4 is, learn and write the tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these tables you will write and then learn it. Clear? Is it clear?